Burning fat, losing weight, getting in shape and looking great is easy when you eat healthy foods that make you feel fuller longer. Some foods naturally deliver a smaller calorie investment while giving your stomach a full feeling. You feel full, so you eat less, your calorie count goes down, and so does the size of your waistline. When you eat foods that provide little nutritional value with their calories, your mind tells you to eat more. It says, hey, we need nutrients, minerals and vitamins. So, you reach for more of the unhealthy food that is sitting in front of you. You eventually become full, but take in way more calories, fat and processed nasties than your body needs. The result? You pack on the weight and fat, your heart, circulatory system and entire body suffers, and you find yourself hungry again relatively quickly. Eat the following 5 healthy, nutritious types of foods that make you feel fuller longer, and you'll begin to lose weight as your whole body becomes healthier and you begin to feel and look great. 5 foods that make you feel fuller for longer. Number 1. Beans and legumes. Beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot. That children's rhyme refers to the flatulence-causing property of most beans. Yes, they can give you gas, no doubt about it. But on the marvelously positive side, they are extremely high in protein and dietary fiber. They can also fit into just about any budget and meal plan, since they are inexpensive and versatile. The FASEB journal discovered in 2008 that if you eat just 4 ounces, a half cup, of beans a day, you bolster weight loss and weight maintenance. Beans are also a heart-healthy food. Fresh fruits. Fresh fruits have a much lower energy density than milk, cheese, sweet foods and meats. This means they deliver fewer calories per gram, much fewer on a comparative basis. So you can eat several servings of superfood fruits like blueberries, apples, bananas, blackberries, cantaloupes, citrus fruits, grapes, pomegranates, and plums without paying much of a calorie penalty. And when you replace unhealthy, fat-filled, calorie-dense foods like potato chips, chocolate bars and candy snacks with healthy fresh fruits, you double your fat-burning, weight loss effort. Soups. Make sure you avoid store-bought soups unless you are going to do some intelligent nutritional label research. A single can of soup that you purchase at your favorite grocery store often delivers several times your daily recommended sodium allowance. Homemade soups give you total control over their contents. It is relatively easy to make a large batch of soup and then portion off individual serving sizes that you can keep in your refrigerator and freezer for easy access. Soup is also easy on the budget, and because of its liquid base, quickly makes you feel full while delivering a limited number of calories. Fermented foods. Do you like crunching down on a crisp, tart pickle? That's great, because fermented foods send a signal to your brain that starts up production of hormones that makes you feel full. This is true because of the short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, in foods that have been fermented, like kimchi, sauerkraut and pickles. A side benefit is the healthy probiotics found in most fermented foods. Probiotics are healthy bacteria that promote proper digestion. They actually live in your gut. Some health experts and physicians also believe that probiotics reduce your appetite. So enjoy some sauerkraut or pickles, and you will not only find yourself eating less, but your digestive system receives benefits as well. Eggs. Multiple studies show that when you eat protein with your breakfast, you ingest fewer calories throughout the day. Eggs are one of the healthiest sources of protein, and they also offer significant levels of vitamin B12, vitamin D and iron. The old outdated belief that eggs were high in cholesterol has actually been explained in a little more detail in recent years. The type of cholesterol in eggs does not contribute to heart risks like most health professionals used to believe. This means you no longer need to worry about your egg intake. Eating 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs between breakfast and lunch keeps you from overeating at your midday meal. And as we mentioned above, eating eggs for breakfast means you eat less during the day.